I don't think so. Not gonna help Fred for everything he done to you. You're gonna help Fred. Hi guys, Danciel here and welcome back to a brand new video. For those who are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan, nice to meet you. And today, welcome back to a brand new DG React video. For today's DG React video, we're gonna be reacting to, yet again, to AVM Shorts. So, before I start reacting, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And turn on my notification bell if you haven't already so you cannot miss any of my videos when I upload a new video on my channel. So yeah, so this is AVM Shorts episode 26, The Warden. So yeah, and also, before I start reacting, if you don't want to get interrupted by me because I think I'm gonna pause some parts of the video, so I'm gonna leave all the videos in the description down below so you guys can watch it without me interrupting because I'm gonna pause the video at some point. So yeah, so let's start reacting now, shall we? So let me just shrink my face cam real quick. Oh, hang on. And there you go. Alright, so this is AVM Shorts, episode 26, The Warden. Alright, so let's get started. Let's go. Let's start reacting now. Okay, there's Orange falling for his misery. Fell into the cave. Fell into a cave. Oh wait, hang on. Alright. Okay. That's... Where's your Minecraft, Orange? Oh yeah, right. After the fight with King Orange, he lost the Minecraft. Oh, he can climb like Spider-Man. Oh, there's the Warden right there. Basically, the Warden is the new boss in Minecraft and it is the hardest one to beat. He do be like Spider-Man right now. And he falls. Alright. Okay, it's getting darker. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. Oh no, you better run, Orange. Here he comes. Here comes the Warden. You better run. He comes. Okay, just hide. Alright, he's gone, but behind you?
Peekaboo!
Oh, I thought so. Alright. Where did the Warden go? Oh wait, I think I know. The ground. Yup, I knew it. Oh, you didn't get spotted. And now you did. Oh no. Run! Okay. He lost track of Orange. There's a chest. Right should be weapons in there, so try getting it. Oh jeez, that makes noise, right? Okay, you got books, a golden apple, a enchanted golden apple, a candle, a book, and a stick. What are you gonna do with those? Oh, nice plan. Okay. Okay, you need some blocks to get up. Alright. You can't break with those. Oh no. Orange, you better run. Okay, you're not safe. Oh no. Orange. What are you going to do? Oh, he made a flute. Oh, flashback. Before then, okay. Oh, I think he loves music. The warden was a good guy in the past. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're friends now. Okay, that's cute. Nice one, Orange. Oh, he's gonna help you get out of the cave. How are you gonna reach that? That's so high. Never mind. That warden jumped so high. Okay, they're back now to the Nether. Nice. All right. King Orange lost the Minecraft as well. Yeah, I don't think so, but... Nope, you're not going anywhere. Boom. Oh no. Okay. Oh, that is so far. Oh no, the Minecraft. Okay. Oh jeez. Oh no, King Orange has the Minecraft again. He has creative mode again. To be continued. Alright, let's proceed to the next episode, which is episode 27. So this is Monster School. So in the thumbnail, I think it's Red's perspectives in the portal. Oh. So in the thumbnail, I see that Red is only in this dimension. I think this is Red's perspective. So if you guys reach at this, I mean, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, if you made it this far, hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already as well. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's start reacting again. So this is AVM Shorts episode 27, Monster School. Alright. Okay, there's Red. Okay, that's gonna hurt. Monster School. Bam, that's gonna hurt. Oh, that's a lot of mobs. Oh, so we got magma block, magma slime. I think that's what to call it. I forgot. We got an Enderman, the gas, creeper, zombie, skeleton, and everybody else. Red. Oh no. You have to go to class even though you're not part of the school. Okay. Oh, Red, you're not going anywhere. You need to go to class even though you're not part of the school. Okay, what's our lesson for today? Lesson 1, sneaking. Okay. Oh, great. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, zombies up first. Oh, great. Next. Okay, it's spider. Okay, you gotta do some stretches first. Ow. Okay, next up is creeper. Boom, dead. Okay. Next up is skeleton. Oh geez. Bruh, you're missing a lot of arrows. Oh. Well, you're dead. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, nice one, Blaze. Skeleton is sad. Okay, Wither skeleton. Okay, you just one punch Steve. Baby zombies are annoying in Minecraft. They're hard to kill because they're tiny. I'm curious what will Red do. You're not going anywhere, Red. What will the gas do? You didn't see that? Oh, never mind. I was about to say, you didn't see that? He was big. Okay, cave spider. Oh, jeez. Oh. one-shotted. Just one-shotted Steve. Nice one, Reader. What will a silverfish do? Oh. Okay. Next up is Enderman. Ow, ow. Okay. Okay, now it's Red's turn. Alright, let's see what will Red do. Herobrine is watching. Hey, that's not fair. Oh no. Oh, wrap up. Oh, come on, Red didn't have a chance. That wasn't fair. What did Red got? What did Red get, I mean? A big fat F. Great. Next lesson, please. Lesson 2, running. Okay. Red is good at that. Hey, don't mess up Red. Come on. Come on now, guys. Basically, they're bullying Red. Enderman is helping you. Never mind. Lesson 3, acrobatics. Okay. Red is good at the... If they stop bullying him. Okay, lesson 4, swimming. Oh, I love swimming. Okay. Oh, come on, Creeper. Lesson 5, cooking. Alright. Alright. Okay. Red is doing good. Hey, what the heck? Basically, Red got F on every lesson. That's not fair. Final exam, team race. Alright. It's gonna be team. Okay, on Red's team, it's gonna be Skeleton, Spider, and Enderman. Okay, they hate Red. Gotta find a way to go back to the portal, Red. Or there's no escape, I think. The winner will get a trophy, alright. If they reach... Okay, that mountain. Alright, get ready. That's a lot of Steves. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Red, I think this is your chance to go back to the portal. Herobrine is just gonna lay down and wait for them. Oh, they're gonna use the lessons that they learned. Lesson 1, sneaking. Lesson 2, running. Okay, that's not fair. Lesson 3, acrobatics. Lesson 4, swimming. And how are you gonna use lesson 5? Cooking. I don't think you need to use lesson 5 on a team race. Oh jeez. Oh, Red. Are you gonna help them? They're getting beat up. They might die. Red is gonna help. Come on. Oh, come on. Red, help you. Okay, how are you gonna kill those? They have elytras. Yeah, skeleton, shoot them. Boom. Alright. Nice aim. Nice shot. Just made the bow reverse. Make the bow backwards and you got a nice aim. High five? Oh, come on! How is that gonna help, Enderman? Scaring them? What's a feather gonna do? Oh. Okay. Nice work. Alright. Okay, lesson 4, swimming. Come on. And basically, they're flying instead of swimming, alright? But Endermans are not allowed in water. Oh, what was that for, Red? Okay. That was the plan. Nice plan. Alright. Oh, be careful, Red. Okay, nice work, team. Oh no. Guys, go without Red. Not gonna help Red for everything he done to you. They're gonna help Red, I think. Yup. Alright, get out of there, guys. Red just basically made Skeleton's bow backwards and he got best good aim. And they won. Nice work, guys. Nice. Alright. Where did they go? Oh, to the portal. They're gonna help you now, Red. Nice. Right. the nether we go. Back to the nether. Alright. Where's King Orange? There he is with the Minecraft creative mode. Red, any minute now. Orange could use some help. Oh, netherite. You can't break netherite. Okay, they're stuck at netherite blocks. Oh, no, you don't. Nice one, Red. Perfect timing. Orange is proud to see Red. Oh, jeez. Nice work, Enderman. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Oh, no you don't. Ow, that's gonna hurt. Oh, great idea. Why not change the gold block to a netherite block? Wow, that was far. Orange, King Orange gone for good, and red is exhausted. Never mind. To be continued. Alright. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed me reacting to AVM shorts while I enjoy making this video. If you did enjoy me reacting to AVM shorts yet again, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on my notification bell if you haven't already so you can't miss any of my videos when I upload a new video on my channel. So yeah, that's basically it. If you want more AVM shorts, leave a comment down below, and if this video gets 2 likes, or maybe any likes, I'll make another AVM shorts reaction video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next Dancel Gamer video. So peace, bye, and gamer on, BB Squad!